my channel. So I just got my Ipsy package in the mail, and I just thought, hey, why not come on and open it and show you guys what I get. That's my daughter. So it comes in this little cute bright pink package, and then you open it up, and then it has bubble wrap in the inside of the package. So, inside of my package, I got a facial mask. Directions on the back. Okay, so then you get this little, each month you get a cute little package. And I have a lot of them. Usually just take and put my makeup in it that I'm not using. So inside of your package, you always get a card like this. It's always different. And this one is because it's Pride Month. So it says Pride Month is about so much more than sexuality. It's about unique beauty, self-expression, and inspiring everyone to be completely themselves without fear of judgment. That's why we're highlighting 7 LGBTQ plus creators who know that what makes them different is also what makes them beautiful. But that's just the beginning. There's still so much more to do to educate the world on love, acceptance, and tolerance. Together, we're making strides every day. Whether you're marching in a pride parade, out and proud, supporting your friends and loved ones, or just starting to learn about the LGBTQ community movement. We hope that your flying colors, glam bag, and all the stories on Ipsy.com will inform, empower, and motivate you to be your best, most loving, vibrant self this June. Ipsy Flying Colors. P.S. We teamed up with MAC, one of our beauty besties, to celebrate Pride all month long with killer cashback deals of tons of MAC products. They've led the way in championing LGBTQ rights for decades, so we couldn't think of a better partner to help us spread some rainbow love. Head over to Ipsy.com/shop to check it out. Okay, so inside of the bag, I got some Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. And it's 0.5 fluid ounces or 15 milliliters. Looks like this. Come on. Okay, it says gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy glow skin for all skin types. Alcohol-free, dermatologist tested. Use AM and PM or as needed. After cleansing, apply with a cotton pad, avoiding eye and area. As this is a natural formula, botanicals may settle and color may vary. This does not affect the potence of the product. Shake well. So once I get a shower and clean my face and stuff, I'm gonna try this out. And I got a Luscious Lip Stain by Dose, and this is in the color 615 Passion Peach. I got a Luxie brush. This is a small shader brush, Luxie 245. It's a little cute pink brush. I have another one somewhere. I think I got a few brushes from Luxie in my package. Okay. And then I got... This is Eyeline 24/7 eyeliner. This is in the color Whiskey. Let's see if I can open this up. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't really even see it. Let's do it right here. It's kind of like, no, it's not gonna focus. It's like really metallic-y. And that's pretty much all that comes in your Ipsy package. In the very beginning, when you first subscribe, you go ahead and you go in and you pretty much click on what you have your interest in, whether or not it's makeup, it's hair products. They have nail stuff. I've gotten fingernail polish before. I've gotten this diamond crushers lime. This is in the color lit. I don't know, I think it's like a lip gloss, but you can use this as like a eyeshadow too. It's like a pretty shimmery pinky color. I've gotten that, which I don't wear. It's too bold for me, but I can put it on my eyes. I just haven't tried.
Get my banner off. Get my banner off.
It's that pretty shimmery color.
Get
It's
my
really
banner
pretty.
off.
I've gotten mascaras. Did I get this in there? I may not. I think I did. I've gotten mascara. I know I've gotten the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara from out of there. I've gotten, this is a nude stick. It's in the color rose. I've gotten this. It's really pretty. I've gotten this Ofra. And this is in the color, it doesn't say, but it says use code Ipsy 30 for 30% off of their Ofra Cosmetics. And this is, let's do a swatch. It's like a pretty rosy. And I got big juicy lips, so and I've gotten other stuff too. Like I said, I've gotten fingernail polishes. I've gotten a lot of the facial mask, like this unicorn one, which I'm gonna try out too. Probably not tonight, probably tomorrow, since today is Thursday and Friday starts the weekend. So I might try it out tomorrow. But that's pretty much my Ipsy package that I've gotten. And pretty much that's it. And see what it is that I've got. And they do send you an email, let you know kind of like what's to look for in your package. This is what you're gonna get. And then I think they do have like a tracking on it so that you can track your package as well. I've never had any issues of, you know, them losing my package or not getting it or whatever the case may be. But that's my monthly subscription for today. So I just thought I'll jump on and tell you guys pretty much about it. Bye.